We'll put this on video.
How cute is that? You little smarty. Look at that.
He likes his sweet corn.
I guess. He wants to throw it over now to get the other side. Oh, there he goes. Whoops. He can help you husk corn.
Yeah. But see, he likes to take a bite along the way.
Is that cute?
All winter long when I'm walking him, he noses through the corn to see if there's an ear that the combine misses or something. And he eats it. Ah!
Aw.
But it's better this time of year. It's not so hard.
Mm-hmm. That is cute.
We used to throw frisbee with him. He'd catch it up in the air, but the vet said that's bad for their back, so we quit doing it.
Yeah, he's
Yeah,
what,
he said-
10 years? He's 10 years old now?
Yeah.
He turned